Okay, we're back with another video. This is the second part of the mimosa video. So we're leaving off from the first one. So what you see here is I have boiled down some of the bark and a few of the leaves right here. And I plan on making a toner with it. So it's cooled off now. And like I said, this is from the first video. We grated some of this up, and you remember some of the leaves that I did. And all I did was just boil this in some distilled water, and we're going to make a toner out of it because, like I said, this is like the fountain of youth. And you can also use this as sedative properties for insomnia, depression. This plant, this tree is totally amazing. The suggested dosage is 15 to 20 milligrams of fresh juice. If you're consuming the leaf decoction, which is this right here, you can boil the leaves down. The general suggested dosage for that is 50 to 75 milligrams. You can also make a tincture, which is something that I already did, and that is curing. So I like to do the cold method. So that's going to be curing for up to about 6 weeks to 2 months. So that will be ready, and that will also be sold on my site. When I tell you the benefits to this plant are amazing, I just touched the surface on this. This plant, to me, is truly the fountain of youth. It addresses skin issues. It addresses hair issues, alopecia, balding, DHT, everything. And I'm about to come out with stuff for that, and I will be using this as one of my ingredients as well. So the whole plant, you can use the roots of this plant, you can use the seeds of this plant, the bark, the flowers, cancer, edema, depression, muscle pain. You can make a palace and leave it on your pains for up to 2 to 3 hours, and they say it will be gone. But real quick, we're going to get into this video, and I am going to show you how I'm going to make a quick toner. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I got my cheesecloth and my strainer, and we're just going to strain this right here. Just going to strain it. And this is my quick toner for myself that I'm going to do, and I cannot wait to test this out, you guys. And tonight I plan on boiling some more of it, and then my husband are going to take it to see if it helps us sleep better. So definitely we will be doing that. And so what I'm going to add to this now is just a couple of drops of vitamin E. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary. Come on out. And a little bit of frankincense, which I wish I could smell this. I love frankincense. Oh my gosh, so good for the skin. And a couple of drops. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to test this out, and I'm going to let y'all know how this turns out too, because I am super duper excited about trying this. This will be my first time, so I will definitely do a video letting y'all know how it turned out. And then I'm just going to pour it in here. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. I'll just fill up another bottle later. Give it to my mom. Let her test it out. She loves stuff on her face. Okay. Just put this on here. Give it a little shake. And that is the toner. Okay. So now we're going to get into making a quick cream. So what I did right here, I made some oil. This oil has been curing for about 4 weeks now. Now, I usually do 6 to 7 weeks curing my oil, but just for this video, I went ahead and decided to take some out. So this will go back to being cured, but I wanted to make this quick video. So what you're gonna need is a half a teaspoon of the mimosa oil, okay, which I've already taken it out. Okay, and then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of the glycerin. And this is a quick little moisturizer for the face using the mimosa. Okay. And then after we do that, we are going to get some of the aloe vera gel. And we're going to do a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. All right. Then we're going to get the mixing a little bit. Use the same spoon. And just get the mixing, and watch the magic happen. Watch some of that magic happen. And I'm going to add a little drop of vitamin E. Gotta have your vitamin E in there. Okay. Also going to add a drop of my rosemary here. Okay. All right. There we go. Get the mixing. See it turning, getting that white, creamy color. Ah, the magic is happening, y'all. The magic is happening. And there it is. The cream. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.